My dear friends, I have come with directional ratios and directional cosines. Look here, this is Mr. Vector and this is Mr. Unit Vector. He is having 3 pockets and unit vector is also having 3 pockets. वेक्टर बोल रहा है डॉक्टर मेरी जेब में डायरेक्शनल रेशोस. देयर आर 3 डायरेक्शनल रेशोस. डीसी कह रहा है, यूनिट वेक्टर बोल रहा है डीसी मेरी जेब में. देयर आर 3 डीसीस. सो look here, vector A is there, it is xi yj plus zk. X, y, z, they are called directional ratios. In short, we call it doctor. And in case of unit vector, it is vector divided by magnitude. It becomes unit vector. Look here, this is the vector xi plus yj plus zk. And when you divide by the magnitude x square plus y square plus z square, square root, say it is r. So dcr x over r, y over r, z over r. Look here, these x, y, z are scalar components of the vector, and these are scalar components. These are scalar components of the unit vector. That's all. They are called DC and these are called doctor. Directional ratios, directional cosines. Now, I have come with some examples so that the concept is made totally clear to you, because this chapter is Palturam. ये बाजी पलट देगा. बहुत आसान है, बाजी आपके फेवर में हो सकती है. I mean to say, you will come out with flying colors if you are learning this properly, understanding this properly, and taking full interest and viewing the complete videos. Now look here, vector A is there, red color mein. Its scalar components are 2, 3 and 4. So vector A is 2i, 3j, 4k. You have to take only 2, 3 and 4. These are the scalar components. They are called doctor. Now let us take second example. Vector B is there. It is 5i minus 6j plus 4k. Then 5 minus 6 and 4. They are called doctors. They are the scalar components. Similarly, vector C is there. It is I plus j plus k. इसके साथ में कोई नहीं लिखा हुआ है. जिसका कोई नहीं होता है उसका खुदा होता है, और खुदा एक होता है. सो 1 लगा दीजिए इनके साथ. सो 1, 1, 1. These are the scalar components. These are called doctors. So from all this, it is very clear that scalar components of the vector are called directional ratios. In short, we call it doctor. Now, let us go to the directional cosine. Look here, this is the vector. Firstly, make it a unit vector. So, vector divided by magnitude is the unit vector. Now, it is 2, 3, 4. These are the scalar components. Divide by the magnitude. It comes out to root 29. So 2 over root 29, 3 over root 29, 4 over root 29, they are the scalar components of the unit vector A cap. These are called DC, directional cosines. ठीक है? Numerator is base and the denominator is hypotenuse, so it becomes cos. So directional cosines are cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are the angles which the vector makes with the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now look here, vector b is there. It is 5i plus 6j plus 7k. Now let us convert it into the unit vector. Vector divided by magnitude. So this is 5, 6, 7. These are the scalar components of the vector. Divide by the magnitude, that is 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square. It works out to under root 110. Under root 110. So you just divide 5 by under root 110, 6 by under root 110, 7 by under root 110. So these are called DC. Now let us go to third example. Vector C is there, 8, 9, 7. Divide this vector with the magnitude, it becomes the unit vector, and the scalar components of this are 8 over root 119, 9 over root 119 and 7 over root 194. So 8 over root 194, 9 over root 194 and 7 over root 194, they are called DC. So you have seen that the scalar components of the vector are called doctor, that is directional ratios, and the scalar components of the unit vector are called DC, directional cosines. So these are very, very easy questions, and that is why I name this 3D vectors and 3D as Palturam, Baji palat dega. Please take complete interest in this topic, and this is a chapter which ultimately changes your game. It can be in your favor, it can be otherwise. If you are not taking interest, then it becomes the otherwise case. Please take complete interest in the this chapter and see all the videos up to the end. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please share this among your friends. If you like it, please do subscribe it. Thank you very much. God bless you.